naturally, it's true. I'm nice.
Forever queen herself.
That's your husband. My husband, I am good.
Yeah, island breeze.
Do it tired madness? You don't know what do we are tired. No, don't know when I do it, man. So shut up. Why you not think I do it love the madness? It turned out my husband. Because I said, I never meet nobody with crazy like And now we're in Mandela. Look. You see that Maggie soup there? My husband don't tell them it's going on. I see my husband in love tighter and tighter, closer and closer, and nicer and nicer. Yeah. No, I'm not lying. Still nice though. You know I'm gonna get this ear color brave. You know the cartoon Miranda? Miranda cartoon name? Yeah. And the girl with the curly hair, the little cartoon show. Lord. When I chat with my husband, I don't care. Or at. We are trend on Twitter. We are trend on YouTube. What is the trending on? We're just trending. Naturally trending. There's no ending. You understand me? So just keep on trending, Queenie, because there is. Life begins at 52. Ah! Why? And I like Queenie. I love you. I'm proud of Queenie, see? Shame on no shame no. And a cock up on a cocker clad, sit down and look for the worst of people. When man a plan God a wipe out and I never hear Queenie I'm doing left and doing the work Queenie and I'm too young for this, I Queenie this, I Queenie that. You know me and my husband tighter than 5 grade. And all who still I put on a patter watch, just to watch a motorway. Yeah. That's enough for watch the motor. Watch all of the ride them and just love me, man. But tell them to me, girl. Hey, you know, Money Inc. Yeah, you saw me and my husband in a little bangarang. Remember one day I sit down and I look out at space. And not even space, me that look out at. And moon, me that look into. And me, they're not so quick. My marriage done.
You can't.
No, may I tell you, remember that because may I tell you the hot party in the farm. Me have try higher than do it. You know. And may I tell you, say, I'm going to look at meditation and say, oh, you mean? I said, not a for better or for worse, my marriage. I say, yeah, hear me, Queenie, hug up your worst. Any disgrace of your one, any shame of your one, any disappointment of your one, any hug it up. Because you see what life is, whatever decision you make in life, you have to cope with it, whether it's good or bad. So that's his life, but you don't just want to cope with life with just good decisions. So when the bad comes, you can't cope with it. No. And right now, I'm just proud of myself. Sikaram, big up yourself again. Every time I remember when Sikaram said, Mama, give me the number, I want to do it on the song. I said, no. It's true. I said, for one doing that, go and answer. And second doing that, go come from. Remember the party hot, you know. Hot party, hottest man back. I touch. And I said, Sikaram, I do no songs for do it. I done my one, don't do it. And Sika said, no, Mama, you see love what you have to do it. You see that love thought that was Sikaram give me turn me hand back on. I shoot my love of my husband for good. I naturally love my husband, so it's when Sikaram says that I love the way I have to do it, Mama. Everybody had to listen enough to look for and do it and a year do it. I used to do it. But that's a Sikaram, watch. The same man said no, come back, come said why? Yes, me and my husband is back together. What's my friend name? You don't see them?
Never pull on your window right now.
You don't ever see them? mean? Big up the Jamaica Defense Force. I said the name? The Jamaica Defense Force. Every time come here to Jamaica. When we have to deal with the police, them a bad boy, the man them a bad boy. So the police them have got through a lot. You think it's easy what them used to be a police officer? Remember we bad at Jamaica. Every time, all in my class and I don't can't selling out and I can't give it up. Yeah. You know, so after I come to Jamaica, so I don't think I could take all my money for dirty Turkey. My business in Turkey, I was born here. Yeah.
Charge about this place.
What are your name?
Charge about this place. Hey, that Gregory Park.
Gregory Park is. All who never come to Gregory Park, I'm taking you like there. I know what to afford more. I understand what to afford more. Oh, Gregory Park, yes, of course I know Gregory Park. Shut up, Queenie. I'm down in our garage, so. Hey, look, get a place that's nice to pass to and look, she's nice. I'm not lying. It's always a pleasure to come back home. Somebody asked me last night if I have nowhere else to travel. I said, listen, whatever the hearts want, that's what the hearts want. One island flying on my head. Yes, more experience other places. But my first thinking for something, I come down here, come antagonize my mother. Maybe if I'm never there at Jamaica, but I mean, every time I forgot something different, I said, but I'm not going to get 50 BG. Look. Yeah, if I go anywhere else, I'm not going to get to see my mother. So the vacation covered all is an all-purpose vacation. How somebody ends that? I post vacation. Nobody cannot do me anything. In a rain, God cover me. No one can do me anything. And I'm going to stay one place too long anyway. So posting location doesn't make a difference. You not cannot find me. I don't seek. Ha 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 ha. You can't find me. Ha ha ha. What is a location like me? Some serious some summer. I'm not afraid for God nowhere. So I'm not frightened me out. Oh no, but I come frighten me out over. I look out Donut Island where I catch up the rest of it. Leave me in my country alone. It's my country. Me know what Jamaica give from my born till now. Jamaica terrible and awful and full of violence. And I am not disowning Jamaica for no one. Jamaica little and tolerant from long time. I don't know gunshot a bus in this spot. Jamaica. Me now make through the violent road. Unafraid of down here. Make me hide from down here. No way. Born and bred Jamaican. Yeah. When England can disown me, Jamaica cannot disown me. So no matter how awful me is, I'm more. Alright. No delay. Am they on it? But I'm not know any name. No delay name. Our name Chin. Oh no, come fret no about location. Low alone, not a thing now. The money go man. We don't know unscrupulous thinking. No active. I fear me travel with, not fear. Me tired for telling them. I don't have no fear for. I do me down at this. No gun girl, no gun boy, no gun man. Me date me and a friend. Me no go man and leave me alone. No, can't friend me out. But Jamaica move on. Me and my pink with my orange ear. No, I'm afraid I hide. Cause I don't know why I'm showing some look good. Me look good. Yes, it's just I'm afraid I can't quit it too at every time. Why? Every time I just queen it. I 86 man. Me Jamaica no worse than nobody else. No go and leave my little island alone. You're not afraid of this? You're not afraid for God on the yes, it's a Jamaica stay from a long time. I knew all of this, okay? When I can't still take phone no money go a white man bingo. No money and go a bingo, me take my one and buy a plane ticket. No found a cock up on a caca class and found a turn on the back for Jamaica. Me not turn my back down here, make them turn happy. Me can turn them back against me. Me not turn my back against them. No.